Remove this cover, use an 8mm socket, loosen this bolt up, and grab the cover, slide it up, and slide it forward. Take this line off. There's a little button right here. You can just push that down, or a lock tab, and just wiggle this back and forth. And it slides up. Just slide that out of the way. Disconnect the connector. There's a little tab. Just slide the tab up. And it pops out. Use an 8mm socket. Loosen this bolt up. Slide the bolt out. And just grab the sensor and slide it up. Take this rubber piece off the old one. Just slide it up like that. Put it on the new purge valve, bottom, and just slide it over like this. Now we can take it, line it up, slip it in place, get the bolt started. And snug it down, not too tight. That's good. Connect the connector and the hose, line it up, and lock it down. Put the cover back in place. Get the bolt started. And lock it down.